Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. Hey y'all, welcome back to the show. Before we dive into today's topic, I just have a little disclaimer for y'all. I have now tried recording this episode 3 different times, and this person, it's like, have y'all seen, you might have seen the TikTok sound that was going around for a while where someone was trying to talk, and as soon as they tried to say something, a train would blow its whistle or horn, whatever it is. That's how I feel right now. Like every time I hit resume or hit record on this podcast, they start mowing again. And I'm like, what the heck? So bear with me. Just love me, y'all, because I need to get this done for you guys. This is the time that I have allotted to do this. So if you hear any background noise, just love me. But I have a question for y'all. Do you need to replace your teaching income, but you feel like it's going to take forever to be able to do so? Is that you? I have a feeling it is. And so in today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 secrets that will allow you to replace your income faster as you start your virtual assistant business so that you can quit teaching and start working from home with your babies sooner. So without further ado, let's just jump on in. Number 1, my top secret for growing your virtual assistant business quickly is consistency. You guys, you have to give this the air that it needs to breathe. You need to be setting aside specific hours each week to give to this. It's not going to grow on its own. It doesn't take a whole lot of time, but it does take a little bit of very intentional time. So you need to be consistent and try to give this at least 5 to 10 hours a week, you guys, in order to see it grow. I just recorded a series for y'all here on the show, walking you through what you need to do to build your virtual assistant business with 5 hours a week, 10 hours a week, and 15 hours a week. So if you missed those, go check those out. But you need to give it consistency. Okay. Number 2, my second secret to help you grow your virtual assistant business so you can replace your income faster is networking. Guys, get your name out there. Show people that this is what you're doing now. Post it on your Facebook page. Go communicate with business owners in the Facebook groups so that they recognize you when they see you in there and know that this is the person I need to turn to if I need this service. Networking is so crucial. And then the third secret for replacing your income faster is to have a community around you who is pushing you to do this, pushing you to achieve your dreams. You guys, when you're doing it alone, it's so easy to give up. But if you have a community backing you, checking up on you, then you're going to be able to do this so much faster. And if you don't have that community, I have the perfect place for y'all to come and find that. I invite you to join the Teacher Turned Freelancer Academy. This is where you can get all the tools, support, ongoing trainings, accountability, and that community that you need to build your virtual assistant business quickly. You guys, it has every single thing you need. So come to teacherturnedfreelancer.com, check that out. I can't wait to see y'all in there, and we will see you next episode. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts Take a screenshot and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.